Snap, she sees a bird. There's the bird right there. Oh, off it goes. You did it this time, Juno. You gonna go get the bird? Gonna go get the bird? Where are you going, Juno? Where are you going? That bird's still up there. Oh, nope, it's right here. Juno, the bird's right here. It's got a worm in its mouth. It looks like it's got a worm in its mouth, but can't be sure. Here we see the wild bird in its natural habitat. Where the heck did it go? Oh, it's flying away! Oh. And it's natural, where is it? Oh, down it goes. Natural habitat, a tree. I don't know where. Okay. Hey, look, there's the string. This looks so strange.